Hello everyone, happy Salah. Happy Salah. You welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. If today is your first time coming to this channel, I say a very big welcome to you. How about when I tell you that we ship everywhere and it's free? Do you want to buy original skincare recipe or skincare ingredients that you needing? When you premix, they work for you? Come on, why not give a try to Austin Global Cosmetic Nigeria? Give a try. We global, we recognize, we register company, you know what I mean? Yeah, we into skincare, we into cosmetic. Give a try to all of the ingredients you just need. Give a try. Or you need cosmetic, give a try. Or you want to send other stuff to abroad, other items to abroad, we have our own logistic company that does all that. So don't forget, I tell you, real talk, you hear me? A lot of people, they be complaining about stretch mark too much. But today we're not talking about stretch mark. We're talking about what's going to make us white. We're not talking about stretch mark right now. We're talking about what's going to make us white. And you want to do a skincare business? You don't know it costs money. You want to do a whitening. You want to take care of yourself, maintenance of your skin. You don't know it. It's going to cost you. Then know now. It's money you will use to maintain yourself. That is why I'm asking you, don't look back. Go for what you know you gotta go for. Now, I bring to you Herbal Skin Doctor. It doesn't really even take much to succeed. We're just too scared. Herbal Skin Doctor Ampoule. I know this ampoule right from time. This is one skin doctor ampoule that I know that is working for everybody. The only reason, as I always say, the only reason when it don't work when it's fake. If you use this and you use some collagen, yes, when you add some collagen to this in your lotion, it's a bomb. Because your body system, your body skin type, whatever, it needs collagen. So that is why you have to add collagen to any of your lotion. But when you're using these, have it in mind. First of all, it's going to lighten you. When it lights you up, then you continue using it. It will not make you white. When they say whitening, that's the problem we have. When they say whitening, we don't even understand how it comes, why. We just want magic. And if you want magic, why not come let me set injections for you? Are you scared? Oh, they told you about injection, that injection also is not good. You scared? When you come to me, you will know everything that you want to know. You will get information. Don't be scared about injections. Whitening injections. But we're not talking about whitening injections. Right now, we're talking about this Herbal Whitening Skin Doctor. We're talking about this one. When you use this consistently, it's going to work. And how do we use it now? Make sure there is collagen inside your lotion. You got to do some cocktail, right? Cocktail, that's what we call premixing. 1 + 1 + 2 + 3 + 4, and then they give you the right perception you have it by yourself. You see, how did you decide yourself to be? You want to get white, right? So you have to do the right thing. Not that when I said buy these, all you know, you go buy some fake serum and just put all you know. The day your village people stretch mark will visit you, you're not going to give an excuse. They will visit you and they will stay. Do you know? You don't know that. Some fake serums you all use. Why not use the right thing? It's just for you to use at least with one ampoule is okay. Yes, with one ampoule, you're okay. Yes, you're okay. So why are you running from this? Let me tell you. Okay, now let's go to what it contains. Okay, right now they say, and like I told you, it's all skin type. Don't let it tell you the reason why I didn't work it because you're fair already, you're black already, like what somebody was. I say, Hosh, why are you saying that? Are you saying like you're not learning? You've done some wrong mistakes and then you, no, come on. Open up, tell them the truth. It's for all skin type. Let's go, say, all skin type. This whitening ampoule is all skin type. Especially for pigmentation skin. Wow. You see? Especially for those like pigmentation skin. So you need this. You need this. It's not just only the whitening. It also treats your skin. You need this. And then again, let's go further. It's a function. It helps to reduce the appearance of age spot and freckles, as well as produce a more fair skin tone. So now there's no way when you, because they say a whitening aside, we went for school for it and we went for skincare to take care of skincare and all that. You got to use your mindset and your head. You can't be senseless human using this stuff. So now, like, you have to do some cocktails, right? So while using this, it's not just even making you like, it's not just even just making your skin white. No, it treats your skin also. It treats your skin also. So basically, it's for everybody. You understand? You gotta show appreciation by using this. Try it. So let's go further. It said, give your skin an immediate radiation and moisturized appearance with elasticity. I told you, any product who don't moisturize, don't use it. I said so. Don't use it. Before any product have to whiten you, have to do its work, let it moisturize you, let it give you that look, that smooth skin. You know, that smooth skin. It's not, don't let it Photoshop you. Don't let it use a Beauty Plus camera. No, leave those things. Go for the right people. That's the way. Go for the right people. Don't let it use Photoshop, use Beauty Plus. Oh, this is to make that video like they. No. If I want to get white overnight, I know what to do. If I want to get white of 2 days, 3 days, I know what to do. I don't use Photoshop. Okay, now it's okay. Apply ampoule evenly over the clean face and massage. That is if you want to use it directly. Yes, it's there. Look at it. If you want to use it direct, but I wouldn't want you to use it direct because me, I don't use it direct. So why would I ask you to use direct? All right, I don't use direct. I know if you think maybe using direct will give you the real color, make it faster, no. But I advise you to use it with your lotion because there are some things that have side effects. They might not tell you. Retalk. I don't hide my own because I'm in here to say the truth. So I would want you to tell you the retalk. Use it with your lotion. You gotta do what you gotta do, right? But whitening, maintaining, blah blah blah, skincare business, now money, oh guys, yeah, money. Don't let no. Come on, I know you're capable, right? But my ladies, the truth is that it's money. So if you don't have money, don't go do bleaching. Don't go do this and do halfway, and you look your skin looking tattered because you'll be putting blames on the company or whoever that sold it for you or that. No, it's money, because the moment you'll be using some product and you notice some stuff, you want to kind of switch or you want to kind of take it off, but you gotta need all the solution, right? And then they will tell you this, that. So to stop all that, you just have to use the right stuff, the right ingredient, the right recipe. When you're missing a lotion, if you have things like this, you have like whitening oils, you have like stretch mark oils, you have like white patches oil. In case your lotion generate white patches, you can treat them also. So you don't need to wait for your lotion to generate white patches. You have to add all those additives, those solution to your lotion. That's just the secret. So back to this herbal skin doctor. Please guys, if you've not used it, give it a try. And then again, if you want to get original, you can contact us. All right, you can contact us. We ship everywhere worldwide. So I tell you, I leave you with this one. Happy Salah, babies, ladies. I'm the man for the guys. Ladies, you hear me right when I say try to use this. Give it a try. So bye bye until I come your way. Stay tuned. Always watch Austin Global. Please don't forget to subscribe. We have our Instagram handle, also Austin Global, and TikTok at Austin Global, on Facebook Austin Global. We love you all. Bye bye.